I'm going to show you a way to make perfect popcorn. You can use a pot like this, or you can use a popcorn popper like this, which I'm going to use only because it's clear and you can see through it, but they pretty much work the same. Now the first thing might seem a little odd. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. For popcorn, I like to use Orville Redenbacher's. It's not a commercial, but I like this brand. Now I don't measure. I just put in a large handful. Like that. Then I pour in enough oil so all the kernels are wet. And this is either basically any kind of vegetable oil. I like peanut oil, which is this, or sometimes you can use canola oil and or mixed in a little bit of olive oil as a way to relieve your guilt. And stir it in so it's all wet. Now this particular popper has a rotating wire so that the kernels will rotate like this. And I just sit back and wait for it to pop. Now the real trick is this. Get a baking pan with sides. Okay, take the popcorn and pour it into the pan. Now take the pan and put it into your preheated oven for 10 minutes. This dries out any residual moisture so your popcorn comes out nice and dry and crisp. Yum.